Accelerate Conference, making sales easy. Yes, that's the slogan for our forthcoming conference at Eystone, tagged Accelerate Conference. Yes, guys, we all at Eystone Development are fully ready for this conference and we can't wait to have you all. And the reason we actually came up with this, to have our amazing CEO, the person of Mr. Azan Ismail, to give us some highlights and some of the things we are to expect from this conference. Okay, so Mr. Azan, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh yes, it's your smile for me anyways.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so now tell us, why Accelerate Conference?
Okay, the Accelerate Conference is a program we put up for the Realtors so that they will be able to make sales easy for them. So that's why we said making sales easy.
Yes.
So with the Accelerate Conference, we are bringing top-notch speakers that is going to deliver powerful knowledge and information that will impact their sales positively. So that's it.
Okay, now let's talk about the speakers, because we've got 2 females and 1 male. So why the selected speakers for this conference?
For the past 6 months, we've been shopping for speakers that will speak at this event. So we don't want the normal general speakers everybody is using that will not be able to deliver the kind of results we're looking for. We want a situation whereby our realtors will find it easy to make sales easily, and we can't just bring speakers who have not done this. So we decided to shop for speakers, and it took us about 6 months to finally get 3 people who are going to do justice.
I was so convinced that they are going to deliver.
Yeah, if you hear the revenue that they generate for their companies, your jaw will just drop.
Right.
They generate revenues in trillions, and some of them are head to multinational corporations. One of them have worked with Mark and Spencer. They worked internationally. So it's going to be an amazing experience with the Accelerate Conference. Trust me.
Okay, now to the question of the day. Can you give us the reasons why the registered guests shouldn't miss this conference for anything at all?
One of the reasons why people fail to achieve their target or goal is because of poor education.
Right.
So when you have the right tool, the right information, you should be able to hit your target and hit your goals for the year. So once you are registered for this conference and you really care about your personal development and your finances, I think you shouldn't miss this for anything.
Okay, thank you so very much, the MD and CEO of Eystone Development. Guys, you've heard it all yourself. I mean, these are top-notch speakers coming for this conference this weekend, and you can't afford to miss it. But I'm gonna say something. Remember the saying, the way you are dressed is the way you will be addressed. So if I were you, I'm gonna dress like a CEO for this conference coming up this weekend. So guys, see you all this weekend. Bye.